Morning. Thank you for joining me. This is At Home with Jenny. This is going to be an Amazon Treats subscription unboxing. These are supposed to be international treats, so we get to try treats from around the world. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Treats from Ireland. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. You guys, we've tried to make Dublin Coddle before, and now I have an actual recipe for it from Ireland. This is so cool. Okay, I'm excited. This month's snacks come to you from the Republic of Ireland, an island country located off the coast of England, famous for music, beer production, and for beautiful landscape. The cliffs of Moher, I don't know, depicted on the front of the postcard are an example of the enchanting natural wonders that can be found in Ireland. It's also known for its love of potatoes. Back in the 1700s, when it became a staple food in Ireland because it was nutritional and easy to grow. For long periods of time, potatoes were the primary meal for a large segment of Ireland. As a result, a larger proportion of treats this month are potato chips, or crisps, as they say in Europe. We included some of the best of Irish crisps along with biscuits that are commonly eaten during afternoon tea, a light meal enjoyed between 3 and 5. Okay. What do we got? Oh, this looks delicious. Cadbury Crunchy. This is chocolate, people. Okay. The next thing is Twiglets. This reminds me of Cheetos, but it doesn't look like they're cheesy. It's a whole grain munch, it says. Cheese and onion flavored potato chips. We have more cheese and onion potato chips. And here we have Custard Creams. These are little cookies or biscuits. And these are 1 pound, I think. Nope, that's not a pound sign. This is $1. Okay. Let's do the tasting, my favorite but most feared part of this segment. Let's taste food from another country. Let's start with the savory and we'll save the sweet for last. So let's start with the Twiglets. I'm most curious about these because they look like Cheetos, but they don't look like Cheetos. It's a whole lot of crunchy and a whole grain munch. 80% whole grain, high in fiber, oven baked, not fried, no artificial colors or flavors. It doesn't really tell you what to expect. Oh, here we go. So they're zingy. Okay. I'm scared. Let me take a sip of my coffee. Okay. I don't know. After I ate seaweed last time, I'm a little concerned. I'm a little guarded. Okay. They look like Cheetos with brown powder, but they don't taste like Cheetos. They're extra loud. I don't know what that flavor is. Is it beef? I don't know. Oh no, it's vegetable. It's vegetables. It's whole wheat flour, and the flavoring is barley, salt, carrots, vegetable oils, sunflower and palm, salt, and white pepper. I just ate a vegetable. Oops, I just tore this bag down the side. Okay, next we're going to try the potato, cheese, and onion potato chip. Okay. It smells like yeah, it smells like powdered cheese, which is exactly what's on it. Okay. I can do this. Oh. It's actually pretty good. That's not bad. I could eat that. Okay, potato, cheese, and onion. That's good. Okay. That wasn't bad. I know what to pick when I go to Ireland, when I go to the corner store. Potato chips. Now, we're going to try the King brand onion and cheese and see if it's any different. Wait, let me look at the ingredients really quick. There's onion powder. I don't see, well, it says cheese and onion flavor, but it just says onion powder, yeast powder, salt, and flavor enhancer, and dextrose. Suitable for vegetarians. Okay, so I've already tried one cheese and onion crisp, and it was okay. It was way better than the first one. What was it? Twiglets. So here it is. It doesn't smell as cheesy. I don't get that powdered cheese smell like from a box of mac and cheese. Gotta cleanse my palate. We'll just start with a tiny little one. It smells like onion. Oh. Not as cheesy, more oniony. Kind of like the sour cream and onion potato chips that we have, but yeah, like that. It's good. King, cheese and onion. So when you go to Ireland, you can get King or Tato and know that your chips will be yummy. Okay, let's do the sweets. My favorite part. Okay, let's start with the Cadbury Crunchy. Gotta save the best for last. Anything Cadbury that comes from Europe or Australia, I am all about. Their Cadbury is different than ours. I don't know how or why, but it's delicious. Here's what it looks like. It's a golden honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury milk chocolate. How can you go wrong? Oh. Oh my. Oh my God. That melted in my mouth. That was delicious. It started out crunchy and then it just went melty. Oh, I should not eat another bite. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's like solid on the edge, and then there's a bunch of holes and stuff in the center, and then it's solid on the other edge. And it just melts in your mouth with the chocolate. Their Cadbury chocolate just melts. It's so good. It's like, it's not waxy. Like our chocolate here is kind of waxy. This chocolate is good. Delicious. No, now my coffee doesn't taste sweet. Okay. Let's try the Custard Creams for $1. That's a lot of cookies in here. There's probably 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, a dozen cookies for $1? That's kind of a good deal. These are Custard Creams. Now, the thing I do know about custard in England is not sweet. But this is biscuits, kind of like an Oreo cookie, except the vanilla kind is what it looks like. And they're square. So here's what it looks like. It says Custard Cream. And it has the filling on the inside. So I'm going to take a bite, and then I'm going to dip one in my coffee. Yeah. Well, okay, the biscuit is, the cookie part is sweet. The cream, not so sweet. The custard part, but it's not bad. Like, you could survive on these potato chips, the candy bar, and the cookies when you go to Ireland, if you don't like anything else. I'll dip it in my coffee. Mmm. That's good. I like that. Okay. Thank you for joining me on a culinary trip to Ireland with Amazon. Thank you. Have a good day.